it's Liz from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. I've got a slightly different video today. Today I'm going to show you the contents of my special box for people joining my team of Sparkling Sunflowers. We had a change of name. We had a vote on it, so nothing like democracy. So this is my box of bits and pieces ready to go out to new team members. I've already sent out one. I've got one going in the post. Well, it will be in the post by the time you see this, and this is it ready to go. I'll cover the address because obviously I don't want you to know who it is, and I shouldn't be giving out their details. So you know. So this is I always send everything I send out, be it customer gifts, be it my craft boxes, paper shares, all those sorts of things, all go out in this. This is my sort of signature packaging, if you like, and everything gets wrapped in yellow tissue paper and sent out in one of these. I have lots of different sizes of bags, so I've got something that's right for everything. So let's have a look at what my standard new starter pack is. Get rid of the big box. So chocolate. That I normally wait until I've got someone ready to sign up, so I can make sure that whatever is sent is in date. Always a good idea. But I'll show you how I make sure that I've got matching paper with one of the others. So a bar of chocolate. I don't eat chocolate, but I know people like chocolate generally, and apparently chocolate and crafting go together. So who am I? So that's the chocolate. I always do up a swatch pad. So this is all of the colours. So obviously this is for the current in colours. So we've got the ones that will be retiring in June at the top, and the ones that came out last June at the bottom. So all of the in colours. The neutrals, brights, subtles, and of course the regals. So that is that I do that up ready to go, and then obviously when we change the in colours I change that up, but so that's ready to go. I always do a little welcome leaflet, which is just information about how to get a hold of me, and some just basic stuff about what the quarterly minimums look like, how you can do parties, starting up your business, stuff about the Demonstrator website, etc, etc. So just some sort of little snippets of information that hopefully people will find useful. Somewhere to put their own ID and password for the Demonstrator website, and that's all ready to go. I also print out a copy of the compensation plan overview from Stampin Up. This is on their website, on the Demonstrator website, and I always print that out. It's in small print because of the way I print it, but it gives information about how to earn some money, and then a notebook to just so that they've got something to write in and put some notes about running their business, which is always useful. So that's my little pack. That's, as I say, gets wrapped up in my signature yellow tissue paper and my signature plastic bag and sent out in the post. So by the time you see this, this will have gone out, because it's actually going to be handed out, this particular one, because I have team training at the weekend, or when you see this, had team training at the weekend, and this particular lady who is local to me is joining my team training event because she's very keen to get started. So, and was free, so that's good. So, how do I make sure that I've always got the right paper to match the notepad? It's as simple as the paper that I use is obviously designer series paper. I cut a 6-inch strip from a piece of 12-inch designer series paper. This is another one ready to go. And the piece that's left over, I just pop inside. This one I'll probably use the stripes to wrap the chocolate bar. But yeah, so I do a few up at a go, because then I know I've got them ready to go. And yeah, I can't wait to have a few other people joining my team. I've had, say, 3 join my team since the beginning of Celebration, and at the point when I'm filming this, that's not very long. But of course, joining during Celebration is a brilliant time to join, and joining in January is an even better time to join for 2 reasons. A, joining through during Celebration, you get the standard deal of £130 of products of your choice for £99. You don't pay any postage and packing. That's included in the £99. So you get £130 of product of your choice. You get a business starter pack, which is catalogues, order forms and all that sort of stuff. And then during Celebration, you also get to choose 2 stamp sets for free from either the new Spring Summer catalogue or the nice large annual catalogue. So either from 2 sets from either of these. If you choose the most expensive sets, that will bring your total up by £90. So depending on the sets that you choose, for £99 you could end up with more than £200 worth of product. Now if you've already got a lot of things and you were looking at, say, the blends, obviously the blends, the full set of the blends are £108. So you would still have £22 left to put towards your starter kit, plus 2 stamp sets. So you know, if you're looking at the blends and you don't think you can really justify the expense, individually they're, you know, really competitive at £4 each. But if you want the whole set, and frankly who wouldn't, pop them in a starter kit, you get the whole set plus some extra bits for just £99, including free shipping. So yeah, it's the perfect time. It's also the perfect time because it's the beginning of a quarter. So there are quarterly minimums that demonstrators are required to meet if they wish to stay active. But Stampin' Up realised that it's going to take a wee while for you to get your head around the whole thing. So the first quarter that you join in doesn't count. So if you join at the beginning of a quarter, you get that quarter and the next quarter before you have to meet your minimums. So January, joining in January, well, where we are now, you would get 5.5 months to meet your minimums. Now the minimums work out at roughly £270 worth of product, but you get a discount on that, of course. You get 20% off before tax. So you get, as a new demonstrator, 20% off. So if you've got lots of crafty friends, obviously you could get together with them to make up that value, and you would get a discount not only on what you order but also on what they order. So you would earn that 20% from what they order. If you're a member of a craft club, brilliant way of doing it. You can order for the club. So just a few ways of getting to meet your minimums. You've got catalogues, or you'll have catalogues in your starter kit, so hand them out to friends and family. You never know. They may want the planner, which is brilliant. My niece loves her planner. She's not a crafter, but she loves her planner. She's at university and she thinks it's great. So don't just think this is for crafters. It could be for, or for paper crafters, it could be that someone is a graphic artist and wants to try the blends, all sorts of things. So don't limit yourself to people who are paper crafters, is really what I'm saying. But if you don't manage to hit the minimums, what's the worst that could happen? You stop being a demonstrator. You get to keep everything that you've got, everything that was in your starter kit, all the stuff that you bought at a discount, you get to keep all that, and you just become a customer again. So you really can't lose. I would really encourage you, if you are tempted at all, to test drive the starter kit. I would love to welcome you and talk with you about, you know, the how to make it work for you. If you're not sure that it's the right thing, contact me and I'm happy to have a conversation with you. No obligation. I don't do a hard sell. The ladies that have joined my team would attest to the fact I don't do a hard sell. If it's right for them, then that's brilliant. And if it's not the right time, you never know, it may be in a few months. Anyway, I hope you have found that interesting. If you are tempted to join my team, all my contact details are in there's a link below, to my website, but also a link to all my social media contacts. So you can either contact me through Facebook, or there's an email address on my website. Just pop me an email, and we can arrange a conversation or whatever. So I hope you found that useful and interesting, and I will see you again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!